morning, Bulldog students and families. Today is Monday, May 17th. Please stand for the flag salute.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
The PAWS cart will be out for students that have earned 20 virtual PAW tickets. Students that attend in-person school can pick a prize from the cart on Monday. Students that are on distance learning can pick up their prize during lunch pickup on Wednesday. And now for our weekly news segment, Palla PAWS Shoutouts. Remember, each week, teachers will be sending a special shout out to students that are showing their PAWS for a specific expectation. Last week, our focus was outstanding growth on either the STAR Math or reading test, or for younger students, growth on their ESGI test. Here are the students from each class that earned an award. Our Bulldog Shoutouts. The focus, achieve your goals by showing improvement on STAR or ESGI. Shoutouts for TK for stepping it up. Kindergarten shoutouts for ESGI progress. Great job. First grade shoutouts. Most improved with your sight words. Awesome job, first grade students. Second grade shoutouts for STAR improvement. Third grade shoutouts, most improved STAR scores. Fourth grade shoutouts, highest STAR growth. Great job, fourth grade students. And finally, our shout outs for fifth grade, most improved STAR scores. Keep up the great work. This week, our Bulldog shoutouts will be outstanding students that have done great all year on working on apps such as Lexia or Freckle. You can pick up your special shout out prize in the front office any day of the week between 7:30 to 4 o'clock. We will find out next week who our outstanding students are. Stay tuned. On Wednesday, pre-K, TK, kindergarten, and first grade students will be able to participate in a special virtual Zoo to You assembly. All students need to log in at 10 o'clock. Fifth grade students will also have a special assembly on Wednesday at 11 o'clock. Be sure to get the Zoom link from your teacher or on your Google Classroom. This week, we will have our special PTA raffle. All of the teachers have done a great job with collecting items to create amazing baskets. Let's take a look at them. Raking in the cash, a special assortment of lottery tickets. Marketplace date night, gift cards for food and the movies. Lucky Duck pot, lottery tickets, candy, and more. Pamper basket, bath soaps, cologne, candles, and more. Graduation lei, $90 in cash for the special graduate. Gift card basket, an assortment of gift cards from Subway, In-N-Out, Starbucks, and more. Movie Mania treat night, popcorn, candy, 3 movie gift cards, and so much more. Beach blanket party, an ice chest, beach chairs, and towels, kites, sunglasses, and everything you need to have fun at the beach. Parents can purchase raffle tickets in the office this week. Tickets are 1 for $1 or 6 tickets for $5. Stop by the office for more information. We will pick the winner on the last day of school. Good luck. Yearbooks for the year are beginning to arrive. Students that attend in-person school will receive their yearbooks in their classes. Students that are on distance learning will be called when their yearbooks are ready for pickup. If you didn't get a chance to purchase a yearbook this year and you still would like to, we do have some available for purchase. Beginning on Monday, you can stop by the office and buy one for $20. We don't have that many extra, so be sure to come in as soon as possible before we run out. Next week is the last week of school. We will send out more information soon about turning in your Chromebook and details for the last few days of school. Be sure to check Parent Square for more information. Finally, please be sure to take a look at our Palla website for some great learning resources. Click subscribe below and follow us on YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Parent Square. Bye for now, and remember, stay safe and have a Palla positive day.